If you have admin or technical permissions, Success Center is just one more way that you are able to stay in contact with our support team to get the assistance that you need. Click on Support Tickets on the left-hand navigation bar to view the list of your current and past support tickets with iLand. Within this page, you are able to see the summary, status, category, priority level, and date of creation at a glance. You are able to click into any of the tickets for review, but if you have an open one and would like to interact with the support team, you can click on the associated ID. Within the ticket page, you can see the contact details for the person within your organization that has opened the ticket. You are also able to see the historical communications between the iLand team and your company. The Attachments tab will reflect any attachments that have been provided throughout the ticket as well. You can click Add Comment at the top to respond within the ticket to our support team. Just fill out the fields and click Submit. If you need to add an attachment, you can do so by clicking Upload Attachment at the top as well. Please note that this is only an option on open support tickets. Clicking back on support tickets on the left-hand navigation bar, you are also able to open a new support ticket by clicking New Ticket at the top. Complete the category and priority from the drop-down lists, and then fill in the subject and a detailed description for the ticket. You are able to add any attachments after the ticket has been created. Click Submit and it will be placed into the ticketing queue. A support personnel will be in contact shortly. Should you need to view information on alternative methods of contacting support, you can click on Support at the top right of the page and a new tab will load for you to review.